my channel.
No, welcome back to our channel.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Welcome back to our channel too. So it's Delilah and me. So we're gonna make a spin. First we have this, the colorful food, and then we have the baking soda, and then we have the
Vinegar.
and then we have the cups. So this is my cup. This is her cup.
This is our first YouTube video, and he really wanted to make a YouTube channel, so I figured why not do it. We're in quarantine, there's nothing else to do. So I want this to be a really kid-friendly channel. So we're gonna be doing experiments, pranks, challenges.
Pranks?
Yeah, we could do pranks.
On Donald?
Maybe, but
Actually on my mom.
okay, whatever you want to do. I'm his aunt Delilah, and this is Tyson, my nephew. He is, how old are you?
4.
Let's start the experiment. So now we have our
Cone.
own base. So I'm not even gonna lie, I'm honestly not sure about the measurements and stuff. So we're just gonna go with the flow, whatever seems right. This is the baking soda. We're gonna split this in half. So I'm just gonna put enough, maybe just
Like that.
to cover the bottom, I guess.
Okay, now I'll go.
I feel like we're gonna need more baking soda because this is so big. Pour it all, just pour it enough. Alright.
That's enough.
Let me see. I feel like I should get more.
Yeah, you should get more. To make it install. Wait. You have bags to get some more of this powder. I mean this baking soda thing. This is the wheat thing I don't feel like I know.
We're adding more baking soda to fill it up a little bit.
The little things.
I love you too.
How about like we should do like that? Oops.
Okay.
Oopsies.
So now we're gonna take the food coloring. You wanna open it?
Sure. How you open this? Okay, well, all it on. So we could pick any. This is blue.
Okay.
This is red. This is yellow. And this is green. So
Okay, so which one are you gonna be using?
I'm going to be using this.
The green one? Okay. I'm gonna use the blue one.
Blue? Okay.
Yeah. Wanna squeeze it together? Ready?
Yeah.
Just put. Alright. I think you have enough. Wait.
We still have some more in it.
You don't have to use the whole thing. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't know.
I'm not scared.
I think once we pour this vinegar in,
Don't
baking
be.
soda is gonna go. So you want to do yours first? All right, steady hand. Don't use all the vinegar though. Let's see. Oh, mine went. Oh man, maybe you needed some more of something. You want to get some more?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. That was cool though. I like that.
It smells good.
It just smells like, I don't know.
Ooh, it smells good.
They smell good? Alright. You direct it. What goes first?
First, we're gonna pick this.
I'm gonna mix red and blue because I know that makes the color purple.
I'm going to use red and green and yellow to make it to black. What's
To
that?
black? Let's see if it goes. To not explode, so pour it a little faster. Pour.
Yes.
I don't know why. That's annoying. But look at your color though. That looks crazy.
Yeah.
Here, pour mine in. Let me go get some more.
She's going to get more vinegar.
Like, it looks purple down here. That was really cool, right?
Look at this, y'all. You see this? Look. Wait. Y'all can make more bubbles when you, like...
This was a fun experiment. I liked it. At least we know for next time what to do, because I really did not know. How do you feel about the experiment?
Happy. Oh.
Would you do this again?
Yeah. Let's do it again.
No, not today. I'm just saying in the future. So, thank you guys for watching this video. We had a lot of fun recording it. Say your outro and let's finish it. And let's go clean up.
Hope and subscribe and
don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And share with all your friends and do it with us. Bang! Before you do that, before subscribe to mine.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to mine and hers and paste. No.
The Dyson Duo.
The Dyson Face.
So you gonna leave me hanging?
The hanging duo.
We gonna get it together. Peace out.
Peace out.